Right, these are starting to look hacked and horrible. Look, hacking at them. Sod off, bulldozers. Market, thank God, is staying put. 28 degrees in it at the moment. Sod off, bulldozers. Sad. They're starting to hack at the buildings. Yeah, they are starting to knock them down. They're starting to knock out all the insides, and then they're going to do the inside. I don't know what the risk is of filming. What the hell is this idiot doing here with the bike? Dingus. Yeah, dinguses on bikes can knock you down. That's something else I'm going to try and work on. Right. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Stop hacking at buildings for your luxury flats. Sod off, bulldozers. Go and hack somewhere else. Go and hack at something else. Oh my God, what a waste. There's a sense of humour put into this. I am sort of joking somewhat, but this is nasty what they're doing. There's dry humour in there, but this is just cruel. I mean, just look at these clouds. If they learnt to be satisfied with what they already had rather than trying to gain more money, they'd be quite happy, wouldn't they? And in weather like this, just learn to chill. Life is a chilling, man. Lovely clouds. Sad buildings. Bit of a contrast here. We've got like the buildings being knocked down immorally, and then we've got this beautiful weather. Makes no sense. Right, land on the clouds.